Hi, this is Surbi from Digification. Let's see how to set up your DKIM records. So to improve your email deliverability more, you need to also set up your DKIM records after you have done with your SPF records. I'm here using Google Workspace, so I'm going to check my DKIM records here. So if you see, there's an entire documentation which will help you identify your records, and I'm going to show you here how to do it. I'm on my admin console. You need to go to your apps. In your Google Workspace, find out Gmail. Now here, if you see Setup Email Authentication DKIM, click on Authenticate Email. Make sure you've selected the right domain here. And what you have to do is generate new record. You can also select 1024 or 2048. The recommended one is 2048. So let's generate this one. Perfect. Now I've got my domain key and my TXT record. I'm going to copy this. Let's go back to my DNS here. You need to come back where you had added your SPF records. You need to come back to your DNS settings, add new record, use a TXT record. Now here I'm going to put my name as this one, and we have generated the value as well. Let's go back, copy this entire value. Make sure you're not adding more space or anything, just copy as it is. Just select this and copy. I'm going to go back here and paste the string and hit save. Now once you have added your DKIM records, it may take time 24 hours to 48 hours to propagate all the changes. Come back here. Now if you see, it may take 48 hours to do this. Then after done, you may click on Start Authentication. So it's better that after maybe 24 hours or 48 hours, you should try and do the authentication.